Okay, so for the first one that we do, we're going to add the hair right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate it as 3 and start my plait. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, and I'm gonna immediately add the hair. This is gonna be a little bit thicker at the base, but it's still knotless, and I'm gonna continue to add hair along the way. This video is to show you, depending on how thin you want it at the base, it depends on how soon you actually add the hair, or how much hair you actually add to it. But I'm gonna just show you how soon you add the hair, and we're gonna add the same amount to each braid, but we're gonna start adding the hair at different points. Okay, so that's the first one. So you see how it is at the base. This is going to be the second one. And you're gonna notice on this one how it's gonna be a little bit thinner at the base, and it's still gonna be knotless. So if you'd like to know what I'm adding to the hair, this is just the Shine Jam in the red. It's the red jar. So we're gonna go ahead and start it off as a plait. 2, 3, and we're got 4, and we're gonna go ahead and add it. And we're gonna just continue to add hair. And this is the same amount of hair that we added to the first plait, but we added it a little further down. So we started the plait and we plaited it down a little further before we began to add the hair. So if you notice at the base, how it's a little bit thinner. So you may like that look. And we're just gonna go ahead and just plait it down and get to the next one. Okay, so you can see that one is a little thinner at the base than that one. See how it's thicker, right? Okay, so we're gonna get to the next one, and we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna add the hair down a little further. And we're adding the same amount of hair so that you guys can see, just adding it further down, the difference that it looks at the foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and separate it as 3, and we're gonna start our plait. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna go ahead and add it. And we're adding the same amount that we added to the first and the second plait. We're just going to continue to add hair and plait it all the way down. Now what I want you to notice, that this last one and the second one looks similar in size. And we started this one down after 3. I'm sorry, we started this one down after 6. But you see how it looks similar to the one that we did before, the second one. And the reason, if you want it to look thinner, I think at that point you want to add even less hair. So you see how that one is thicker, the first one is thicker, the second one is thinner than the first one, and then we have that one, but they seem similar. So what I would suggest is just add a little less hair. Thank you guys, bye.